Hi guys! Welcome to Cravings Mo Sagot Ko. And for today's craving, we have longganisa, salted egg, kamatis, egg, buttered fried rice, tapos sausawan. Sarap na itong sausawan para sa mga ganito. So yun lang guys! Kain tayo! Thank you Lord! Napratikman na natin yung longganisa. So let's try. Kain guys! Sarap. Tama yung pagkakaluto ko. Perfect. Ang sarap. Sarap. Kailangan natin ng egg for protein. Ang sarap ng fried rice. Nilagyan ko natin ng bawang, butter, and salt. Sarap ng longganisa. Samahan mo ng ganitong sausawan. Ito, kamatis. Ang paganda ng kutis, guys. Extra rice ako kung mapigilan. Wala. Okay. So good. Grabe, sobra akong nabusog. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if ever na may cravings kayo na gusto nyo i-try ko, please comment down below. Please don't forget to like, share my Facebook page. Thank you so much guys. See you on the next one. Bye!